In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. By the end, you'll know how to find Notion through Google, log into your workspace, open Notion AI, and explore a practical table of contents example so you can navigate long pages with ease. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Notion. Look for the official result from Notion's website. You'll usually see the brand name clearly and a secure padlock icon in the address bar. Click through to the homepage. A quick tip: if you use Notion often, bookmark the site so it's just one click away next time. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner for the Login button and click it. Choose the sign-in method you normally use, whether that's with a password, a single sign-on option, or a mobile prompt. Keep your credentials private and avoid entering information on lookalike pages. If you have access to two-factor authentication, it's a good idea to enable it for an extra layer of security. After you're signed in and inside your workspace, open Notion AI. You'll see options to draft, summarize, improve writing, or brainstorm. Think of Notion AI as a helpful assistant that can speed up routine tasks, like turning meeting notes into action items or polishing a rough paragraph. If you're new to it, try starting with a short prompt or a sentence you want to expand. You can also ask it to reformat content, change tone, or clarify complex text. Remember, you're always in control. Review AI output and tailor it to your voice and needs. Next, navigate to a page that showcases a table of contents example. On that page, click the Table of Contents block to see how it maps your document structure. This block automatically lists the headings on the page and turns them into quick links, so you can jump directly to any section. It works best when your content is properly organized with headings, like H1 for main sections and H2 or H3 for subsections. If you add a new heading, the table of contents updates automatically, keeping everything in sync as your page grows. This is especially useful for documentation, wikis, project plans, or any long-form notes where clarity matters. That's it. You used Google to reach Notion safely, logged into your workspace, opened Notion AI to streamline your work, and explored a table of contents example to navigate content faster. If you ever need more help, Notion's official help resources and support channels are there to guide you further. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Notion.